Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul and let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. This channel will try to show you simple little recipes that you can make yourself at home for your family and friends. Cuisines, we do all kinds of varieties. We try to break it down as simple as possible. Sometimes we'll get a little complicated, but it's okay. We challenge ourselves once in a while. Hey guys, today we're gonna do something very easy and very delicious. We're gonna take one of these and we're gonna turn it into one of these. Potato croquettes, I love these. You can make them, freeze them, and then you can fry them whenever you're ready, any time of the day. Lunch, dinner, snack, you got them. Guys, sit back, let me show you how we cook this into this. That was good fun, guys. I really enjoy making those potato croquettes. Those are absolutely delicious little treats. You can put them next to a steak, you can just have them as a snack, dip them in tomato sauce. Easy to make, keep them in the freezer whenever you need them, put them in the fridge overnight. Next day, just fry them up like I showed you. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give us a like. And if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe. We want you to subscribe. Thumbs up, subscription, that's what we like. Thank you very much once again for joining us, and we'll see you again next week.